5 episodes. 5 different stories. One man, a moto blogger, on his debut for the 5,000 subscribers. And this voiceover had nothing to do on this video. Charot.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when the kiss on. If you want time, never mind, just let me know.
Guys, welcome to the season 2 of Polarides, the 5K. Thank you video, thank you! Ang tagal yan, dahil kang cheche-boreche sa sa mga episodes ko yun, no? Pero, thank you! And guys, nakikita niya meron akong papel dito. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin eh, ang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. Recording. So another day, another life. Welcome to another episode of Polarides. Well guys, finally I am back on the vlogging scene. Ang dami kong cheche-boreche dun sa sa mga episodes ko sa channel ko. Well guys, the reason why I uploaded the 5 pilot episodes of Polarides, it is a celebration. Well, it is an acknowledgement, or it is a ba dapat yung sabihin, ha? Well guys, really chopper! It's a chopper! Well guys, the reason why I uploaded a 5 pilot episode of Polarides, because it is the 5K subs count of Polarides. And I would like to say and thank you and a shout out to the man who made it on the 5K subscribers na nag-subscribe siya ng 5K ko. Ito yung chat niya sa akin. Make up your mind, dudes! Make up your freaking mind! Woo! Welcome to Mario's Highway. I'm one of the idiots here. Mga links niyan, lahat yan, kakainin nila. Alam mo. Traffic, Brad! Finally, we made it on the 5K subscriber from 0. My freaking hell, I did not expect that. Alam mo, nakaka-overwhelm siya na parang 0 guys. I started from 0 subscribers. Si Miss Paula lang ang naniniwala sa akin way back before. Oh, let's say, I would like to say thank you to each every one of you guys who subscribe on Polarides. Well, actually, ano na tayo, 5,200 subscribers. And I'm so sorry na medyo late ako na nag-update. Well, sinabi ko naman na mag-a-announce ako on the 28th of July. Fun! Ayan ang magaganda sa mga jeep. Kamote rider. Ayan ang magaganda sa jeep. Mag-iura sila, kakainin nila yung buong linya. Nice. Why you are in a freaking recording? Why? Bakit ka nag-i-stop lagi? Pollution. What's the pollution? Magkantatawid tayo. Pero ba't ka nandyan? So guys, I would like to say thank you to each every one of you again. Thank you for making come true on the 5K subscribers. Hindi ko, wala sa vocabulary ko dati na magpa 5K ako. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi mangyayari yung 5K subscribers count na yan. Bakit hindi ka talaga nagre-record? Okay guys, thank you. Thank you so much for this supporting the channel. Thank you so much for the Polarides supporters. Thank you so much. Thank you so much and I love you guys. I love you. Alam mo yung gusto ko yung bigyan ng magandang POV. That's why I am using another camera para makausap ko kayo in this freaking malfunctioning camera. I am just so stoked on the 5K subscribers, guys. I am very thankful for each every one of you who keep supporting the Polarides channel. I heart you. Okay guys, as you can see, I am wearing another design of Polaroid shirt. Announcement shall I say. Remember on the first update video of Polaroids that akala nyo nakalimutan ko na yun, pero giveaways! Woo! Guys, sinong isang sumali sa giveaway? Giveaway guys, giveaway! Well, this is to pumipiyok talaga eh. This is to say thank you to each every one of you. Well, ano lang naman, kakaunti lang naman ng magkakaroon ng, hindi naman kakaunti. Well, specifically, good fucking job, man. Idiota. Giveaway guys. I'm going to give a token of appreciation for the one lucky subscriber. Only one lucky subscriber. 2-stroke, nice. One lucky subscriber na magkakaroon or makukuha ang mystery box ni Polaroid. So what's the mechanic? Well, first of all, you need to like my Facebook page, which is linked down in the description down below. Redundant. Well, one lucky subscriber na makakapag-uwi or makakakuha ng mystery box ni Polaroid. The mechanic! I'm only going to say one mechanic on this video and the rest will be posted on my Facebook page. I'm only going to say one mechanic on this video and the rest will be posted on my Facebook page. So you better like my Facebook page, facebook.com/Polarides. Okay, so you better watch out, you better not cry. You should really try on Polaroid and giving away a mystery way back. Woo! Paskong Pasko na yun, no? Kala mo. Everyone's open to join the giveaway. Well, excuse me on my fellow motovlogger friends. Exempted na kayo dun, guys, ha? Exempted na kayo dun. The second announcement that I'm going to make. Guys, I am so sorry for this one, but I'm cutting my... you. Pambang mo ko. Okay guys, the second big announcement, and I am so sorry for this one guys, because I am cutting out my upload schedule from twice a week. I'm going to upload once a week because of my workload and my work schedule. Medyo medyo pagilid tayo eh. Ang daming project na ginagawa. Wala, hinilikutan ko eh, no? Ang layo eh, no? Wala na, para makapag-shoot ka eh. You need to explore things, you need to go on the other things, you need to... everything! You need to do in the freaking episodes, man. Third announcement! Ang dami nagpapa-shoutout! Guys, there's so many of you na nagpapa-shoutout on the Polarides channel. Gagawa ko ng video, specific video for the announcement, and stay tuned on that. Lahat kayo is, pipilitin kong i-shoutout lahat. That is to say, I'll say thank you to all of you, to each every one of you, because I love you guys, I love you. Love you guys, thank you. Well, that's it. Medyo short video lang tayo again guys, dahil may gagawin tayo eh. May trabaho tayo ginagawa eh. Hirap pagsabihin ng motovlog sa katrabaho, sa totoo lang ha. Pero I'm enjoying it. I'm making an effort. I'm trying my very, very best. And for all the supporters of Polaroid, thank you and I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the Polarides channel. Each every one of you, I appreciate it so much. I appreciate it a lot. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. So guys, I'm going to cut the vlog now, and as always, like, share, and subscribe to Polaroid. This is Polarides. Peace. Okay, yeah, before this video ends and I got only 40 seconds to make the thank you video. Guys, I would like to say special thanks to Smash Adventure for letting me borrow his Hero 3 Plus camera, and special thanks also to G-Side Clothing. Well, he's the one who made my Polaroid shirt, this new design of Polaroid shirt. Thank you to my high school friend. Ciao!
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister that I can win, kiss her. looking, picking, and I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a